Okay, so these are the Cotton Craft, the white curtain window panels. You're going to get a set of two drapes in each package, okay? These are thick cotton duck fabric, and they have the reverse tab on the top window treatment. You also are going to get the tie backs. I loved this material. It's, to me, is like a white, like almost like a linen type of texture. I love it, and it was the look I was going for in our bedroom. We have three standard size windows right next to each other, so I was looking for something that would make our bedroom look taller, but also keep our simple neutral color scheme that we had going on. So I picked two panels of these. So I got four panels total, but two orders of them. And I went ahead and separated them, and it makes our master bedroom look bigger. It does add height to it the way that we have them so high up above the windows. And I think it looks really good. We usually get a lot of compliments on them. They do have a little bit of light filtering, but they are by no means room darkening panels, which is another thing that we were actually looking for. So if you're looking for something neutral, something with a simple white cotton, but like a pretty elegant linen texture, then these are for you. We would recommend them. We love having them. These have actually been up for about a year and a half now, and I haven't had to take them down. They slide real smoothly. It's real easy to move them back and forth. We've had no complaints with these. We really do like them.